Welcome back to the Healthy Voyagers Global Kitchen. As you can see, it's Halloween time here in my kitchen. So instead of making something yummy and tasty food-wise, we're gonna make something yummy and tasty cocktail-wise. The little devil in me wants to drink this Halloween. So this is the Great Pumpkin Cocktail, and this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need 10 ounces of pureed pumpkin, some nutmeg to garnish. You're gonna need about 10 to 15 dashes of bitters, depending on how you want to flavor your cocktail. About 10 ounces of spiced rum. I would love spiced rum because that way it kind of matches the season. Nutmeg, ginger, all that good stuff. Spiced rum is perfect for this. And about 10 ounces of full fat coconut milk. I like to use the coconut milk that comes in the can, not the stuff that you get like in the grocery section and the cold section. This stuff makes it really nice and creamy. But you can double the recipe, triple the recipe, however you want to put in a big, nice bowl, like a punch bowl. What's really, really fun is to carve out a pumpkin and use that as your punch bowl. But today we're just gonna make a single serving, maybe a double serving. So here we go. Okay, let's get started. So we're just gonna use a regular bowl for now. If we double or triple or quadruple the recipe, obviously use a bigger punch bowl, use the carved out pumpkin, especially if you're having a party. But today we're just gonna use a regular old bowl. And really, all you gotta do is dump everything into one bowl. So we're gonna start with our rum. And then we're gonna put in our pureed pumpkin because the rum is gonna help puree the pureed pumpkin break down a little bit. If you want to use a hand blender, like an immersion blender, to get it really creamy, you can do that. Or you can leave it nice and chunky. It's all really, really delicious either way. We're just gonna kind of mix it together as is. Make sure that kind of breaks down into the rum. You'll see it just kind of get all in there. And then we're gonna add in our coconut milk to make it nice and creamy. It smells really good and really strong, which is what you want in a Halloween cocktail. All right, so we've got it to where we want it. And now we're gonna just mix up that coconut milk a little bit. Pour that right in. Get all of it in there. Make sure that's all well incorporated. Then, last but not least, what actually goes in before the garnish is the bitters, which gives it just that little extra oomph. About 10 dashes is all you need, but if you want a little more zing, you can add a little more. All right. So you're just gonna mix it to make sure everything's well incorporated and you get that nice light orange color. And then we're gonna put some ice in it. And what's really fun is if you do put it into a big carved out pumpkin, you can put pumpkin chunks into it as well, which is really, really yummy. All right, well, we've got it where we want it. We're gonna put some ice in it, chill it, and we're gonna put some ice in our cocktail glass. Gotta drink out of a Halloween goblet. All right, time to ladle it up, and then we're gonna put in our nutmeg, and then it's time to enjoy. The ghouls and goblins at your party are gonna love this Great Pumpkin cocktail. All right, so last but not least, a little nutmeg to finish off. Give it just that extra little bit of holiday fun. And there you go. You've got your vegan Great Pumpkin cocktail.